one. Come on! Okay. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is actually going to be a very interesting video for me. Today actually earmarks the start of a new series on my channel, which is going to be titled S3 versus pretty much the world. So the purpose of this section on my channel is really going to be to showcase the S3 versus various other brands, various other manufacturers, whether they stock, whether they're tuned, to actually see just how well the S3 holds its ground against these cars. And for my very first feature, I'm actually going to be featuring this Golf 7R. Now this is not actually standard Golf 7R. Yes, I know, I'm kind of shooting for the stars here. This is actually a 530 odd horsepower Golf 7R. It's stage 3 plus. I know it's going to be a very tough challenge, but it's going to be interesting nonetheless, because these two platforms are virtually identical. Stock for stock, these cars are virtually identical. Pretty much the same motor, pretty much the same drivetrain and so on. So it's going to be interesting to actually see just how much a stage 3, or just how hard a stage 3 actually runs compared to a stock S3. So just before we get into that, I actually want to introduce you guys to Ravesh. Ravesh owns R&S Motorsport. Now they do software upgrades, they do hardware upgrades, they do services, maintenance and so on. And R&S Motorsport actually built this Golf 7R. So Ravesh, I think it's going to be very interesting. Thanks for taking the time out and actually doing this today. I think, Ravesh, before we get going, let's quickly just run through very briefly mods on this car, just so that everyone knows exactly what we're putting the S3 up against at the end of the day.
Okay, the vehicle's a stage 3 plus. It's got our local developed hybrid turbo on it. It's got cooler, water-methanol injection. It's got charge pipes. What else? It's got a JB4 that we use as a boost controller as well. It's got a custom DSG map. It's got a custom ECU map as well, all done by Insane Racing.
Okay.
Car makes 534 horsepower, 609, 610 odd Newton meters of torque. We ran a personal best of 11 dead on it.
That's crazy.
Blistering heat.
That was in?
Tuner was last year December, and then the last tuner was, now we ran 11.1, racing at 36 degrees, with an exit speed of 216 on the bottom end.
Absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so the S3 obviously bone stock, 300 horsepower, but that's on the fly.
On the fly.
That's on the fly. So it's 228 kilowatts and 380 newtons. 380 newtons. So just so you guys can compare for yourselves. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick launch comparison, just to show you guys what stage 3 plus does versus stock. And then we're going to do a couple of rolling runs as well, so you guys can see for yourself exactly what stage 3 plus is actually all about. Cool, let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to try and keep this fairly safe. Going to a nice quiet road to actually do a launch comparison between the stock S3 and the stage 3 plus Golf 7R. Let's do this. Okay, so Ravesh.
Yeah.
So I think just in terms of timing, well, I'll go 3, 2, 1, and then on 1 we go.
Okay. All right, perfect.
Okay, let's do this. It's just our lights not good. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Come on! Bloody hell, no chance, off the line. Not even first gear, I can't even claim that. Okay, I think let's quickly go and do a couple of rolling runs. See if I maybe stand a better chance, or let's just see how well the S3 actually holds up. Oh, that was awesome, dude. That was awesome. This car is so quick, off the line, no chance.
That's what 20s, eh?
With 20s. Alright, let's go do the rolling rounds. Cool.
Let's just wait for these few cars to go.
So we're gonna, I think let's just get up to about, say, 40 k's an hour.
Yep. On what gear do you want to go?
For me, probably from third gear, I guess.
Or maybe second.
Second gear, yeah.
40 is, second, yeah, because 40 is a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So again, I'll sort of just count down 3, 2, 1, right?
Yeah, remember I've got a hybrid on the car, so it's a little bit. 40 is a little bit down.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna have a little bit. I'm gonna have a bit of lag.
Okay, cool.
But we're good there.
Okay, I'm on 40. 3,
Okay, let's go.
2, 1. Come on! Ah! Yes, the car just reels me in. There's just no stopping it. It's like a steam train. This is weird. I'm hearing your indicator signals and mine at the same time. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, guys, quickly is Ravesh is gonna give me like a 3-car lead, and we're just gonna see how hard the car runs. Okay, Ravesh, are we good to go? Let's go.
Good to go.
Just tell me when you're ready. About there. Okay, 3.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay, 3,
Right, that's fine.
2, 1, go. Come on! Ah. It's like a steam train. It's absolutely insane. Alright, dude, I think I've had enough of a beating today. I'm gonna call it a day. Alright guys, so we're gonna sign out. I hope that you guys actually enjoyed that. The Ravesh car is crazy, dude. Stage 3 plus, no joke. It's absolutely no joke. I think maybe just before we sign out, Ravesh. So stage 3 plus, more or less, what am I looking at if I were to go from stock to stage 3 plus? What do you, just ballpark figure?
Plus minus, I'll say just under 100k. And we should get away with it.
That's not bad. I mean, you know, if you add 100k on top of the purchase price of this car, you're not going to get a 530 horsepower car anyway, at all. So, cool. That was really awesome. I had fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys are going to follow me on this journey. So please do remember to go and hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with this new series that I've run. Anyway guys, till next time. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So, cut.
Take 2.